Here is a wonderful 2020 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here is a sublimely crafted, exceptionally capable Range Rover that offers a sumptuous cabin, whisper-smooth ride, legendary off-road performance, and stunningly modern design. To drive it is simply transcendent. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, 360-degree view car camera, panoramic roof, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, power passenger seat. Find your sanctuary in this powerfully elegant Range Rover. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.